Torie embaka nakanugaito
mbemo kegima nando mwanchu murigereria asenge nchu kubwata na into ase omuroberi ito otorie mbaka buna tukuna go semiwa na go semani na omwarimu Obino Nyambane HSC state head of state commendation recognition yes oko
rwanire oko yegerereke
kwegerereke
wikato yegerere chinga kochito asitokuru na asitogucha nebikorbito chingencho chito n'uboroso
tokale gocha kubeka libwairi lyenyomo amo tibate usigana kirabe kyomwadi lakini tokobwania amangana yeyo nyomo
tanya koera because there are trends
by the way
yes
and then tora ikira kwanza stokobibweka and beyond bujara lakini kubeka libwairi lyabono amoiga ikentungere twakwanerete ase ensemo yo stadium bana mwanya bantu bari in beat was in communication na environment yabo eminyama diraba amache ne bintu binde nkwa kwana juzinga akero engiti egocha asobo inabokorosiwa igonga ngiti kwanza monyeita nande monyeira church nande muirengane ya
it is bringing you information so oise konyora bagaka bari basomere babwate that they was in the village babwate that ability to interpret inkiengitie yareta gose message kiengitie yebwate and it turned out to be true
na vera bengiti gose chinsanako gose gento ken nature na begocha
chinsanako nchiari gocha mochibosa omonta ko chinsanako chichuri bwoye chiseri abantu there is something omonta kwe engitieche there is something omonta kwe egento kegwempera none nsagara ekebure kigekorosibwa there is something oise goetange noboina oteri ogume there is something yani gento nkio kiare ko ba around ya sama kweli ariko so montago tindeku itabwate a reason behind it njanya gukwa itaberegeti getondo
wono ga kia sama gana yonse bino jiriswari diane riga wono igoro jijen zina jijikare ko diwaderio girina nake millennials no torega igangona ko tanta na tore abaga kambare ebinyoro chinkondi chibagweroka.com batato information na ito kucha konyora basa abagaka usina no mungina orato erese usuko interpreting nkigente kiabere ge phenomenon getting kiabere ga usingi chinsana guchiachira ekerensa gara ya gure nkige gokoru usina no muntu atereria gwimbire what then happens ngai to kuru usina ndingai nduriko chiko tanta na
is very fundamental. That is a very important point that you are bringing across. My name buringa these people are going. No, my name buringa impact patigarite. And getting them is sometimes a bit hard. But one way is by talking the way we are doing. Mbaro ba koiwa. Paboria maswari. Like, I'm in touch with a few. Asengencho, nkwegereke usi, abande bare sokiri, tuakwane na barabu. You see, the major problem is the coming of the church and Christianity and their approach to our life. Manataba gusi eba arengi so organized. Abagaka abasikire. And what you should know is each family had their own talent. Kero mochi, kere clan. Let me not say omochi. A clan. Kere nyombaja manyina. Oise kogenda puosoro. Osoro no munyamusira. Igekero kwa tuwari problem related ne mesira bosoro gochi. Oise ko tuwaru borwaire gete. Igo ya manyina mwanyansimera bali na abemete. You know that is nature. Herbalists. Bono gendo oroba ko tebi meteki. Naende manyina mete yoro sana kiro mote no bwate meaning. Emete nero kunogokwa. Egete kiari keche nyomba abantu bakwera.
no motenoro na baba ndete
omotenoro utari gwotwa omotenoro buno motembe ole court of appeal so mogusi you know and so were animals nchiro chia bwate various roles they play unabona korosi kwelirongo nkwa bwate a systematic way li korosi linde lyatanga lyabe antidote to problems. So what I'm trying to say is that we were not able in these families here with the different powers and talents. The Christian church and the Western education did not give us opportunity to document, record, and preserve that science, if we call it science, or mystic powers, or epistemologies. Kangabono togo tumia to educate our other generations. Pagacha ekanise gateba kirege gusina the mindset that was created in the people. Emechoma etekero mugaka bwate mubuche bwatoya bantu barabange onyora bagaka batatu igo bwata abantu over 200 bukaba batatu abagaka batatu when they take a decision it was listened to.
It was supreme.
Yes. Ekare amanye no oli no moriori. Oli no moragori. Oli no munyamusira. Oli ninki. Oli no moturi. Kero monto. Oli no motengi. Oli no libuwa makano na gotera.
Oli na basali.
Oli no mosali. Oli no mo kebi. Kero monta ira maskani yae. And you know each role was very important in the structure of the community. Mukareta chise mukarete kanisa igachaka ebine binte biriri ebine binto biriga bono bali bachiete school bagachaka guchaya abatachieti bali baguchie kanisa bagachaka guchaya abatali guchie kanisa tugachaka utwara different mindsets bande bagatabuli bakaenda bagasomi gungumbu kibakwira na bono bara abanabacha batora as uncivilized. Na intutwara abande as civilized. Yani there is competition and you bring in superiority complexes in abona unchina developing and what. This nonsense is what brought cultural disorientation and has brought the confusion that we are in as a community. Yani okonyana ntue manyeti omonta tata kitiko kwane ke gusi na ndoro mogusi tama iti na identity ke gusi is more important ko bwege songo because the songo you are getting it from elsewhere na ende obo maende mbona no nyata manye tiko kwana ke gusi go ikarengererie ke gusi aginta ko songa manye go kwana. That is basic. So that is where your identity is. Omonu oli okutumia korengereri.
You think in your first language.
That is your identity.
Ege ndokere kwa kwarira gabuge kohereza nga na nkike kogera boni ga none bintu bikokorore kana pengine the nature is communicating to us ne linga nto kunyara go interpret go to understand.
Roma itena mo babulire.
Ama baba ide byumbumbiye.
Roma ndegere na masinga. Ama ndegere na masinga na masansa ntuli korora. Ngaibiache. Kare karato go kina nkonyora kwale butterflies.
Ibiwango byagakire sana
kakwanyo libiwango kirase very nice
modento agakirase igakosonje birugango
ibiwango different types byikire gusi ngayibiwango byache amagonga agakira eta amagonga angayache
none kere mbura yarenge ko bange go twibisingororo mbya kamenyokere
ibisingo egesingororo ekebarabara ai egesingororo baitege singoro leke barabara ngaye bisingoro byache. So you see what we are trying to say is
amatutu
ebintu byeto byomugusi mbyatubwa lakini bona nere to bitubore biritoko nyara go safe go sentu abi safe igesanda ngeli kebe gotumia kunyuma ache
ngatalinga
bokana mboli bobe naboko bobugino ane kanisa inki bokana bobwato tabu kanisa
ngabokororoka na ngabono bore demonic kero
asenge jibaro seli sanko no mote no ma etena li sanko no mote is better than plastic
and fabrics na egento kiwa kwa nga tuatikire combine synchrony
environment because we have lost the waves.
Toroje abantu buna the western mbabwate na barabu culture nga monomone enyo neye kurukunga kasuku sege songo kurukunga ki sparrow I think
sparrow. I don't know.
Ekokwana paka ekokwana imitate bakomonto a parrot yeah bakogo sanginga nere karero chiko sinige togete it can give you a message na bogo yanka yacha yako tawingi kiarenge gosekero ya bere ego bievu no monto ekaro yage chiune togete kala gete gosiri musugete gose there is danger goso monto kwa chire na era tali monto genuine abego behave
yako ni yok omaite no nyane chinkanga kyotuge tomochi ekero monto mo bachire chiko gote even plants there are plants yo mugusiare kubeka geita agosimeka buno mosocho neyende amauga umonto mubeka goswa tago kora gente keraro mutuyu because of rhythm with
no abangasuba abangina ngo dabare ngasimeka amauga alianga mabayiga no nege teacher ibi
irinde monto kuri gechingeni nchisare abantu barabwata maisa mabi tarengena na maisa mabi it is their nature
ebari
that was power babwate power you kanga ya beta adopted
invested for positive purposes
every package for positivity of the community
bono toikira ase emeteli nero chinyoni chiri nchiro machinaro por marobana ari kinintwe nturiko yategerera nturiko nyara gukwana na irabyo asing we have wandered away from our communication.
Correct. We are wandering away and afar and it has repercussions like imobete mocha kena climate change is bringing problems and what problems will be there because we are disoriented in our rhythm with the universe.
Ntogendera mona sama chintunda chinde gukwanira ibintu bune binga okomenya kumugusi ngiye ikirete African cultures chiajaga korokana koba inferior to the Western culture and yet Africa especially umugusi existed longer without this Western knowledge and Christianity longer than the years we have existed.
I want you to note now we never lived because of money. Or monetary exchanges. We lived natural life. Yani kiobwate ngombe yao, yani esimba gira yao, kiobwate mbiria metene ngonyera, kiobwate chinyoni chiao, na chimbata, kiobwate chingoko chiao,
chikura chiao.
Nomba no chingoko chicho mugusinchi yo. Chia sirire. I don't know if the breed is still there.
Maybe though kanyara the original kienyeji.
Na ni chinyanya churo sana tu alikuli. Chinga chisobosobo.
Into buno bori bwenyo ni chinkenene chiaga to.
Bori bwenyo ni chinkenene tu. Obosangora. Those things.
Eme korogonyo.
Ebintu biri yobiko nyagosira.
Enkomoni.
Na ndio nabiko nyagosira na intu nabatokora na mutoko nyagosira. I want you to understand that. Even in the language, no enogo yeito buno mogusi. Ngosirere because ebintu na biko nyagosira na intu utoko nyagosira another development of something completely else
comes a mutation of homogusi to mutant sengenjo omukorogo yo begetu abu obegetu sengenjo part of your life go contribute to your being as homogusi
yes
agiyako karanga emete gotoka atali are gotoka sahara emete gotoka eri yaringe part and parcel of our being. One karo bikona ko sira kurwa setore na ntubuno ngobodo bukona ko defeat into something else. Wow. Yento gekoro ko kusina culture is deeper than we think. And no tore ga tukona ko document na ko record na ko kora kwa bibeka na ko preserve the best way we can so that at least na to salvage.
I am appealing for people to look for funds so that we safeguard part of this. And some of our people are trying it, like Humphrey Silaus.
Humphrey Silaus, there's a conversation.
If you have something, preserve. Give us the story behind it. Let's preserve it. Bring it to me.
tare 3 muthie nyonde ngugo discuss dore genealogy whatever was
yabagusi
from gari no muya genealogy conversation yeta gete pakikira sogo cha konyoro no nayo kunyara identify your family tree.
Your family tree. It
your
will be
ancestry.
This program. Your ancestry. We want you to know who you are, where you come from. Emete mwakarire seino, chinyeni mwakarire, ngaki mware correlate na other people, relativity, and who you are. Tumanye which is your totem. Ngaki yogotia na wana nje no sweta. Montolire ngogeta atache mintoka hakuna megesa kwa nyuma ache, ngesa kwa gusiria. Let's understand all these things.
Nenda yencho.
What is your totem?
Enda yencho ne encho wenye no mogetutu.
When we are talking about totems, we are talking about Owetogie as a clan from your origin. Omogusienda yencho is a recent thing because abantu ba chito abange. We shall come to such discussion.
We'll discuss totems and other things on another time.
At another level.
Another level. Iko abantu ba minto iketogo gekora sing tubwa nchani
bonene kwegerera chingako
tubwate
oboroso oboiko bwomogusi nechinyenjo chiaye
kabisa
emegiro nechinsoni the unwritten law and the structures that made us to be recognized as a community, as a people, as a tribe. Na ende to iwo bekorokwo mogusi yanche wanchwe omwalimu obi na nyambane.
We do this with the belief and hope that you will join the bandwagon in preserving Ekegusi na kugendera go promote, and you can do that by buying one of these Endawasia dictionary Ekegusi. You can talk to us through the numbers on your screen, and many other books that are written in the spirit of promoting, preserving, and documenting our ways of life. Till next time.
Bye bye.
Torie Embaka Nakanugaito.